Hey, how is everybody today? Sherry Underwood. So happy to come here with this message because it really hit me after having a couple conversations. People saying, what if my messaging doesn't work? What if my message that I'm trying to get across to someone doesn't work? And listen, when success seems uncertain because things just don't seem to be going properly, we become doubtful. You know, anytime there's uncertainty, we become doubtful, right? But especially in our businesses. And doubt will suck the energy right out of you. So if you're in a positive energy and you're feeling great about it, then you're going to get a positive result. And if you're in a negative energy and you're starting to have questions of self-doubt, is this going to work? What if I'm not doing this right? What if? Okay? Negative energy, negative result. So I really want you to concentrate as best you can on coming forth into your business, into your messages, into your reaching out to people with a super positive energy, filled with confidence in what you have, to offer, total confidence. And if you match that with true faith and belief, then you can completely cast out doubt, and you can live your best life ever. I promise you. I promise. But when you start asking questions, when you start questioning yourself, what you're doing, you may need to think over some things. It may need tweaked. And until you get to the part where you're like, okay, now 100% confidence, 100% belief, 100% faith in what I'm doing, then you're going to skyrocket. And when we ask questions like, what if it doesn't work? It's just going to lead you into uncertainty. But for anyone who is a Bible reading person, Mark 9:23 says all things are possible for one who believes. All things, and for one who believes. Not some things for some people that believe some things. No. All things are possible for those who believe. So I truly believe in that. I want you to take a serious look. I think you seriously need to look. If you're having doubt, if you're having worry, where's your energy going? Is it going to that doubt and worry? Is it going to a place of lack? Then you need to learn how to switch that up. And that'll come in another video. But I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope this was helpful because I just talked to someone about it and I just had to get this message out. So blessings for an awesome day.